You will, this project has 20 stitches for my heel flap. So I'm going to slip 1, then I'm going to knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 4, 6, 7. I'm going to put the yarn in front, I'm going to now slip, slip. Now I will take them back in the reverse order. So the second one becomes first one. And I'm going to put them over. And now I'm going to knit 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. Now I will turn my work. I will slip 1, purl these 2 together, 1, now purl 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will purl 2 together. I will purl 1 more. There are 5 stitches left on this side, and I will turn my work. Next, slip 1. Now I'm going to knit until I arrive to 1 stitch before the little gap that starts to appear. Now I'm going to take that 1 stitch and the one after the gap, and I will put them back in the reverse order like this, put them on my needle, and I will knit the next stitch and turn. Slip 1, purl the 2 slipped stitches together. Now keep purling until I arrive to 1 stitch before the gap. I will purl these 2 together. I will purl 1 more, and I will turn.